So guys, right now I am at Sai Service Borivali. Look what we have. So today is the official launch of 160 at Sai Service, and I am over here at just to tell you guys my opinions about it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so finally we have just got our hands on the NS 160, and as you guys can see, it's looking awesome, and it has underbelly exhaust as the previous generations had. They have just done that. Firstly, used to come with liquid cooling. Now it's oil cooling. So you will get a disc brake at the front and a drum brake at the back, which is also they must be upgrading in the future or not. We'll just see if they get a disc variant at the back as well. So it comes with a 5-speed variant, so only 5 gears. As you guys can see, it's clearly mentioned over there, and the engine is around like 160 cc. So let me just sit on it and I'll just tell you. So it feels like literally very tall. So if you compare it with a Gixxer or the FZ, so you will have to just do your legs like this. So I am like 5.8, and as you guys can see, I am feeling this vehicle is like tall for me. So I have a pillion with me as well. So if a pillion would sit, and you guys can see the height comes properly. So now let's listen to the exhaust note of it. So the exhaust note is also quite good. So let's get started. So it feels good. Like one thing is good, that the meter is not locked. The horn is also quite good. So the steering feels nice. The turning radius is superb. So as you can see, the shifts are also quite good. They don't make you like wonder what is going on or not. Basically they are not hard, actually they are like pretty smooth. So the shifting is also nice. So the power it produces is like 15.3 bhp, which is also great in this 160cc segment. So this will give a tough competition to the Hornet, also to the FZ and the Gixxer as well. So we'll just have to find a pretty review on the highways and all, where we can see it gives a tough competition or not. So the good thing I liked about is the gears are smooth. You won't lag anywhere. So you also get a very good instrumental cluster over here, which just gives information which is needed. So like the speedo indicator is over here. Also you get a RPM meter, the fuel indicator, and also the lights and all stuff. So right now the bike is not registered, so I just have to take a round of here itself. So basically if I get a chance, I'll just ride someday outside as well and just see how it performs. But if I'm riding at slow pace and it's the engine is not making horrible noises in the first or the second gear, so you can see that it will perform quite good in the traffic scenes as well. And the radius is also smooth, so the brakes feedbacks are also nice. So behind brake is the drum brake, and it's quite responsive, and the front brake is the disc brake. So the brakes are like really good. So the brakes aren't that aggressive. So if you just compare this brakes with the Gixxer, so agar front brake, like if you just press the front brake very harshly, the wheel tends to skid. So the feedback is very aggressive in the Gixxer. So the feedback over here for the front brake is quite nice. The vehicle just comes to the standstill quite well. And the best thing I like, so you also have this in trip meter. So 2 trip meters are there, trip A, trip B. This thing is also nice. So you just saw the feedback I got from the engine. So basically ट्रैफिक में ये चलाने में बहुत मज़ा आएगा तुम लोग को. And thanks to the steering is kind of a clip-on types over here, so which gives like pain kuch nahi hoga haath mein, so it will just fulfill your purpose well of riding long journeys on it. And you also can see this thing is also nice, so the mirrors are also nice over here. So now coming back to the tank, so you can see the tank is also quite good. It would have been nice if Bajaj would have used something like a gear position indicator over here. So the tank is also nice. The tank is 12 liters, so 2.4 is the reserve capacity of it. And also you can see the grab rails are nice. The tail section, the tire hugger is also nice. So the tire you can see over here, so somewhat the tires are very thick, I can say, but that's also not an issue. Basically some people might like it, some people might don't, but personally speaking I didn't like it much. So I was used to like fat tires of the Gixxer and all stuff. So basically I love the tank section. So if you see it, you will just get to know that 200 जैसा ही something similar है. So you can see all the designs and all are similar to the NS200. तो फ़र्क इतना है तो थोड़ा इंजन डाउन कर दिया है, तो थोड़ा माइलेज बढ़ा दिया है. सो आई जस्ट आस्क्ड देम द माइलेज दे हैव क्लेम्ड इज somewhere around 50. So that's the company claimed. So we'll have to wait for the user claim the thing for some time. You can see the buttons are quite well and they are backlit. So as you would have seen in all the NS and Bajaj products, so they give the backlit switches on them. So now talking about the exhaust note. So this is the exhaust note. So which also sounds good, but in this 150cc I just like the sound exhaust note of this set. So that's pretty much of it. If you guys have any questions around, just ask in the comment section. So this was just a walk around. I just took a round inside the building, so I won't be commenting much on it. So what I felt, it was a quite comfortable bike. So the price right now it's like 95,000 on road, and I just had a word with the office owner over here. So he just said that 2% tax will be extra, so you can just expect this bike to 97,000. So which comes across approximately to the Gixxer segment only. So I just bought Gixxer for 97 as well. So I feel that this bike would also go till 97,000. So the looks wise it's quite good. So basically this bike would be suitable for tall riders. So also short riders it won't make any difference as much. So as you just saw, I am 5.8 and I had some struggle in this. So I just feel that if your height is like 5.6, you will have to struggle to sit on this. So else if you are a tall rider, this will suit you. So these are my opinions on the new Pulsar 160. Let me know in the comment section you like this video, you dislike this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends if anyone is wants to buy. So you can get the test ride of Pulsar NS 160 in this compound section at Sai Service Bajaj, so which is here at Borivali East. So Magathane is over there. Metro Mall is so just adjacent to Metro Mall. You guys can come over here at any time and ask them for a test ride. So they'll be happy to give you a test ride. Just contact Sandeep sir, so he'll just assist you with anything if you have any doubts regarding the NS. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Till then, take care, bye bye, have fun, and do remember is ride safe. Bye bye.
Aside from my soul.